Welcome back to another video. Today we have day 21 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints in order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, and I think by this point we've figured out how to do it, so we're gonna hop straight into it. Today we have the lantern core rings. Also do me a big old favor, make sure you guys go check out the previous episodes of this challenge. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. And here we have the lantern rings. Smaller size, bigger size. Now this one went through 3 different iterations. Marble, the white, and the black. And the Info Destiny were all different on this one. I don't remember exactly which one, only remember the black. The black was at 30% density Info. But yeah, they came out pretty good. They came out looking good. On the marble ones, we changed it up with the print, with the brim added on it, but with it having a lot of detail inside the ring, the brim is probably not the best choice to do on the rings. We're nearing the end of this challenge, so make sure you guys are staying tuned every day at 9 a.m. Central Time for the videos, and we are releasing shorts afterwards for these prints as well. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.